tingko ang dati. Putol o batilis.
Guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. It's me again, Babay, with my pamangkin Cedric naginom og kape. Guys, atong anong karon guys, atong buhatan ko is manguha ta og batilis para pagkaon sa tuwang candy. So uban kalong, uban daw siya panguha og batilis. Maski magkalisod ta, uban daw siya. Siya ay makuha sa batilis. Say hi baby. Hi Cedric. Ulawon nga pagkabugoy ng bataan eh. Sige, tara. Unsa naman ito baboton? Lakaw ta. So maaranan mo ni atong kuon nga batilis ipil. Basta kay pagkaon sa kanding mo na siya. So ato nang tirahon, basig tirahon pa sa lain. Oh my God!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Tingko ang batilis. Higayin. Si dati, kailang niyang naong alayang sundang. Alayang batilis. Radya, ilang batilis. Dati batilis. Tula. Tula cold. Tula. Tula. Tula sundang. Sundang.
Native na kanding mo niyo. So pwede ra nato sila lawig, itugway lang sila. wala man sila angal masing unsa. Pwede ra sila diri ko ano kung tumbatilis nga itong nakuha gamay ato lang gihatag ko diri para na lang po may makaon-kaon sila. At least unya nga po busog-busog na katilang gikuhan to nga sobra. Pwede na nato tong merienda nila pohon. Unya di ay unya. So karon ato na to tong isa kanding nato tong anglo. Kaya ato na to siyang pagkaunon guys. Arte man to with feeds pa siya. Yahay. Kani, pag-itog buhay lang. So, ato ta dito. Ta.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't come.
Mga itong dili pwede na to ilawig-lawig kay magtay-tay lagi dayon. Biyag-biyag na siya oh. So na siya sa mga 6 months na ata na siya, 6 months. Taon lang ha. Taon lang dia, pagkabusog ka. Sa dire niya. Katong duha guys, mo ni dire na to gibutang ning duha pero karon kay kato naman siyang gitugway. So wala na isod. Unya na butos lang hapon, padulong mo pauli dire, diha na buto ibutang. Sige, kaon lang. Ay, kaulaw. Oy.